So let's go ahead and read the content of this file with pandas, a very powerful data analysis library. We are going to dive deep into pandas later on. We have a section dedicated to pandas, and we have applications where we're going to use pandas a lot. But for now, let me just give you a quick demo how pandas works. Make sure you import it. I've imported in here. And then while true, let's keep this conditional to check if the file is there. In this case, that would be temps today.csv. And then, if the file exists, we want to load the data in this data variable. The way we do that is by using the read CSV method of pandas. And there goes, you guessed it, the path of the file. Like that. So if the file exists, read the data and then print out data.mean. So this object has a mean method. Let me show you later what this object is. But for now, let's go ahead and execute this script. So we are getting the mean of each of the columns. That is the mean for station 1, and that's the mean for station 2. So it's working. Now, if you wanted the mean of only the ST1 column, you just do that. So that will give you the mean of the ST1 of the station 1 column. And so on. So the idea here is that import pandas, and when you execute this, what's happening there is that an object called a data frame is being created. You can see that you have a structured view of these data. So this is a specific object type. Just like we have integers and we have floats, we also have these other types that you can find in libraries, in these third-party libraries. So everyone can create their own types. And this is about libraries, so built-in libraries, standard libraries written in Python, and third-party libraries, which are almost always written in Python. That's about libraries.